Here is another video. Welcome. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and consider to give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. In the past 3 years, I've been working remotely and also freelancing. And in this video, I'll be sharing everything that has worked for me in the past. Where I got the jobs, the courses I took, and how it has worked out. As you know, the high-paying remote opportunities need some skills. As I was starting out, I didn't know where to start, so I was just scrolling on TikTok and YouTube, looking for people who talk about remote works, remote opportunities, the skills you need to learn. So that made me try so many things that did not help at that time, and so I decided to learn a skill, which I thought immediately after learning the skill, I'll be able to get the opportunities or a job like immediately and start earning a lot of money. That was not the case. You really need to put a lot of work. You just don't learn a skill and start earning. I'm not saying that the skill did not help me, but there's a lot more. You have to put in the work. The first skill, I enrolled to a blogging course and I learned about blogging with Afro bloggers. It is an interesting community. You interact with so many people from different countries, and that enlightened me about blogging. The course was free, you just enroll and they accept you. Then after that, I saw this was very long. It needed some time, it needed patience. You need to write so many blogs before you get some money, and I needed money. So from that, I decided to learn something different again. I was looking for something that could bring me money like after a short while. And I started learning transcription from Tess Ogamba's YouTube channel. She's very well spoken, soft, clear, and detailed. So it really helped me to understand, and also some other YouTubers. After I understood what transcription entailed, I tried transcription sites like Scribby and Verbit. As I was doing transcription, I came across a TikTok that seemed well put together, and they were posting about remote work and mostly affiliate marketing. That was TechHood. This was the first time I was paying for a course. Due to what I was watching, and people were saying they are earning a lot from affiliate market, I decided to pay for that course, and it turned out to be totally different thing from what I was hearing. It was so good because at first you learn a topic about shifting your mindset, and that really helped me. I have not been paid to say this. This is my personal experience. Unfortunately, I did not earn anything from that course, because in affiliate marketing you need to create content and then you promote people's products or services, and then you are paid a commission, which I wasn't ready to create content at that time. But I was able to build my own website and I started blogging. That shows how much the course entails, and the tutors are very supportive. After starting the blog, I needed some copywriting skills for the SEO ranking, and I enrolled for some classes with Olivia Kibaba. You can find her on TikTok and on Instagram. She also has some free materials that you can use to learn copywriting. That helped me in my writing skills. After a while, I got interested with AI, and I saw ALX were offering the ACE course, and in this age, AI is taking over. So I took that course. It is called AI Career Essential. You can check it out on ALX website. I am so lucky I have never been scammed online with fake courses. So if you're looking out to learn transcription or content creation, check out for Tess Ogamba. If you're looking out to learn copywriting, check out Olivia Kibaba. If you want to know more about affiliate market and anything to do with online work, check out TechHood on TikTok. So those were my tutors, and they really helped me a lot to up my game. It's not a must you pay for a course. There are so many good courses online that are free, and you can learn also from YouTube and earn a lot of money. Keep learning. Just stick with the skill and learn it over and over again until you are so good with it, and you'll definitely get some good opportunities online. I have also done some micro jobs like micro workers. This was my first pay. There's also an opportunity for Kenyans. It's a micro work with Intron Health. You translate some paragraphs to Swahili. Most of the micro jobs don't need any skills, so if you need, just click the link and you can sign up and start. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.